Using the source file macro, it's possible to display source code directly in your Confluence page. So as with all macros, we will start with / and just type out the name of the macro. So we need the URL for the code. So we will select that here, copy and paste that, and now the code is populated. So as we can see here, there is a line wrapped around. If we remove this, the line will no longer wrap. And we can also choose to hide the line numbers. So for the code block language, it should default to the code type automatically. However, you can choose to overwrite this should you wish. So if we type in Java here, we can see the formatting and appearance changes as it's trying to assume it's Java code. So if we take a different code snippet and update this, we can see the appearance changes based on the code type. However, again, you can overwrite this if necessary. So if we save this page, the one last thing to note is you can hide the code from the Confluence page should you wish. So if you have multiple code snippets, it can be useful for avoiding clutter and only seeing what you want to see. And that's a fairly straightforward and simple way to display your Azure DevOps code directly in Confluence, making it easily shareable and more accessible. Thanks.